Hey guys. So, just a few minutes ago, I got done watching the video from Windchime Lover, Mr. Christmas Lover, because he got some pretty heavy rain and some pretty crazy wind. Well, look what showed up here. It was predicted, but oh my god, just a few minutes after I watched that other video, and just this happens. I mean, the wind isn't that heavy right now, but the rain is coming down pretty good. So, I don't know how well you can see the chimes, but they're going a bit. Hey. I can hear some of the other chimes further in the back. I feel like it's calming down a little bit. I think it's supposed to be nice again tomorrow. I'll have to check though. I'm hoping it will be, because it's actually a. I don't know if any of you saw my. Whoa! Jeez, did you see that flash? Wow. Well, anyways, as I was saying, I don't know if you saw my newest community post, but there's a new video coming out tomorrow that I'm really excited about making. And I'm sure you already know what it is, so. But in case you don't, I'm not going to spoil it. But. Not much. Alright, well, I think I'm going to end the video here. Bye.